Good morning, Year 6 students. Today, you'll be teaching yourselves about cyberbullying, and how this is going to be done is through a URL website that you're going to get and paste into Google. So, by the end of the lesson, you're going to understand what is cyberbullying, the impacts of cyberbullying, how it can be avoided, and who to reach out to. How this lesson is going to be done is you're going to be teaching yourself about cyberbullying through the website. So, what you need to do on the website. So you're gonna probably go on the website and you're gonna say, I don't know what to do. So, this video is going to be on the website. It's an introduction to what you need to do. So there are 3 steps you need to follow. So the first step is the sources. So the first thing you need to do is there's a link to what is cyberbullying. You are to highlight the link and paste it onto another page, and from there you start to read what is cyberbullying. Once you get to the video, you are to stop and go back to the website. So you got the second step is read the poster. The poster is how cyberbullying can be avoided. The third step is you are to watch the video, and the video just expands and elaborates about cyberbullying. And then the fourth thing you're going to do is where to get help. So where to get help, there are 2 images, and that's it. You're done step 1. Well done. Step 2 is activity time. Activity time is basically it's just to see what you understand about cyberbullying. So you click on the web onto the activity. There are questions and answers. So I want you to put the questions in a line, and then what the correct answer that you think is correct, I want you to attach it to the question. Once you attach it to the question, it will look like a sticky tape has been stuck to it. The next thing is step 3 is quiz time. So the quiz time is multiple choice. You read the question and then you click the correct answer. Once you click the correct answer, if it's correct, there'll be like a tick, and if it's incorrect, it will just highlight the correct answer. And well done. Once that's done, now you know more about cyberbullying and how it can be avoided, and you've reached the goal. So this online website is just a really good way. It's a different way of learning, but how this is done is you can take your time on understanding, then do the activity and quiz time. And well done. Thank you so much.